artists. It's Ms. Messer. Good morning. I'm so excited to be making some art with you today. This week we've been talking about motion, movement, and figures in art. So a figure is a picture of someone's whole human body, and we know that our bodies are often in motion. This week we've been talking a lot about dancing. So today we're going to use what we've been talking about, and we're going to combine that with our cutting and gluing skills. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So everybody is going to have a paper that looks a little bit like this. There we go. It looks a little bit like this. And this is actually going to be the different parts of our body. But I don't want to cut them out yet. Eventually we're going to cut them out, but I don't want to cut them out yet because it's kind of boring right now. There's not that much happening. It's just white and there's some squares. So we're going to add lines that show a sense of motion. So what I mean by that is we want to make it look like our lines are maybe wiggling around, maybe they're jumping up and down, maybe they are going side to side really fast. And notice I said really fast. Our lines can actually show how quickly something's moving. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. So even though we're only going to be using these parts to cut out, I still want you to fill your whole paper with lines that wiggle and move and change around. So let's try it. So I could do, if I wanted to do a wiggly line, ooh, I like that. Very cool. What if I wanted to do some little lines? Look how fast my hand is moving. That's definitely going to show some motion. I'm going to remember that I want to keep switching colors because the more colorful our amazing artwork, the more interesting it is to look at. So let's see. I could do a zigzag line, like a really quick zigzag. I could do some lines that go side to side, like that. I'm going to go ahead and switch my colors again and keep going. I could do I'm just like really going to enjoy having fun, making my lines wiggle around, filling up my paper with lots of different types of lines that are really going to show show a sense of movement. One of the lines that shows a sense of movement is a diagonal line. That means it goes at an angle. It's not straight up and it's not straight down. So that's a good one to add. I love how it's in red, so I can definitely see it. Woo. Now I notice some of my rectangles here are not as filled up as others. So I want to make sure that even though I'm going all over the page, I want to make sure that I'm filling up all these little rectangles too. Let's do, ooh, that was a quick one. Okay, let's see if there's another thing I can think of. Oh, another line that shows motion or movement is a dashed line. So a dashed line would be great to use. But maybe I just want to move my hand around. Oh my gosh, I love it.